there, my name is Scout Leader Sarah, and today I'm going to explore the forest. You should come with me. I wonder what kind of fun and exciting animals we will meet. Let's go! Look at all this trash on the ground. What a mess! A bear! Okay, everyone, when you see a bear in the forest, make yourself look bigger and scarier to confuse them.
A human! Please don't throw any more trash here.
Well, I'm not here to drop trash. My name is Scout Leader Sarah, and I'm here to explore the forest and make new friends.
I'm Boris, the dancing bear. Every other human that comes to my home just makes a big mess. There's so much litter everywhere that I can't even dance.
Wow, that sounds terrible. Wait, I have an idea. What if I help you clean up all this trash?
You mean you want to help me?
Yeah.
Clean, clean the trash off the ground. Clean, clean so we can move around. Clean, 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 clean. Clean, clean the trash off the ground. Clean, clean so we can move around. Clean, 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 clean.
Wow, I haven't danced like that in years. Thank you, Scout Leader Sarah.
You're welcome, Boris. I'll come back and dance with you again soon. Bye! So remember, everyone, if you have a piece of trash, don't throw it on the ground. Put it in your pocket until you can find a trash can. Hey! Excuse me! Everyone, did you hear that? Hi! Can you help me? Oh, it's a caterpillar. Hi there. My name is Scout Leader Sarah. How can I help you?
My name is Luna. My mom told me it's bedtime, but I'm not sleepy. I'll never turn into a beautiful butterfly if I can't go to sleep.
First, let's tuck you in. How's that? Looks pretty comfortable to me.
Thank you. It's very nice and cozy, but I'm still not sleepy. Could you maybe sing me a lullaby?
I could sing you one my parents would sing to me.
Sleep, sleep, it's time to go to sleep. Sweet dreams, baby, when you sleep. Good night and close your eyes. I'll see you in the morning. Sleep, sleep, it's time to go to sleep. Sweet dreams, baby, when you sleep. Good night and close your eyes. I'll see you in the morning.
Cucumbers are better.
To plant tomatoes.
No, we did not come all this way just to plant.
It looks like some animals are arguing. Let's see if we can help them.
Tomatoes are the best.
No, cucumbers.
Yes,
Excuse me.
Why are you two fighting?
Marty and I have come here all
the way from the rainforest to help plant some new fruits and vegetables for the animals here. But we only have one more spot left to plant.
I want to plant delicious cucumbers, but Archie wants to plant disgusting tomatoes.
Disgusting! Tomatoes are delicious.
No, cucumbers are better.
Tomatoes are better.
Okay, enough. I am Scout Leader Sarah, and I think I can help. Marty, you are a hedgehog. Archie, you are a macaw. We just need to find a fruit or vegetable you both like to eat so we can plant them for all the other animals. Archie, what are your favorite fruits and vegetables to eat?
I love tomatoes, peaches, mangoes, and carrots.
Okay, Marty, what about you?
Well, I love cucumbers, broccoli, bananas, and carrots.
Wait, you both like carrots.
Yeah.
Then we should plant some carrots so the other animals can enjoy them too.
Great idea!
Wow, you are very smart.
Come on, I'll help you.
It's time to plant. Let's plant some vegetables. It's time to plant. You can help us too. It's time to plant. Let's plant some vegetables. It's time to plant. Do you know what to do?
First, we have to dig a hole.
Then put some seeds in the ground.
Next, we will cover them up.
Add water, but don't let them drown.
It's time to plant. Plant some vegetables. It's time to plant. You can help us too. It's time to plant. Let's plant some vegetables. It's time to plant. Now you know what to do. Sing with us. First we have to dig a hole. Then put some seeds in the ground. Next we will cover them up. Add water, but don't let them drown. Woo!
Wow, what an exciting and busy time we had today. We helped Boris clean up his home, helped Luna go to sleep, and helped Marty and Archie finish planting their garden. I wonder what kind of fun animals we will meet next time. I hope to see you there. Goodbye.